the offload. Roigard for once taken. Scott, the new man, and they get a scrum out of it here.
Yeah, just keep an eye on Cam Roigard here. He's gone down and he's sore. And looks as though he's taken a shot to his leg, his ankle.
Yeah, it sounds like it too. I don't know if you can hear the groans through the referee mic. In fact, he's not happy with referee Damon Murphy, who got in the way. You can see that,
he's looking at his knee.
It's his left kneecap. You can see it. It looks like a serious injury, possibly. Sometimes a dislocated kneecap can recover. You can see it, yeah, to the left, his left knee.
You're right, it's his left knee.
Oh, yeah, you can sense that